Hello friends, welcome to Study Box. Friends, in our previous chapter we have studied about block level elements. Okay, so when we are using a block level element, even though there is a lot of space on the horizontally left or right side, the block level element never allows to keep another element next to it. What it does, it pushed the element to the next line. Okay, so in that scenario, if you want to keep two block level elements together, and you have to use a new property called float for any block level element. Okay, so what it does, it keeps two block level elements together. Okay, and it has some few properties that we will go through. So float is basically used for the block level elements. We have few properties: left, right, none, and inherit. These are the values for the property float. Left is left, right is right, none is none, but inherit is something different. Inherit is what? It inherits from the parent tag. Okay, whatever you use for the parent, that will come. Friends, sometimes it happens that after using 2-3 times of this float property, even you will not use float, it will automatically take the float from the parent. Okay, at that scenario you need to remove it. To remove any float property from any block level element, you need to use clear. And clear is a property which has some values. The values are like left, right, and both. Okay, so let's go through from example. We'll see it. So I have a div tag and I'm going to give a class name which is box. Oops. Okay, so let me create two div tags. It will be easy to understand. And here I'm going to declare my class. Width is 100 pixel, height is 100 pixel. Oops, mistake. Okay, and I'm keeping a background color also to make you understand. Save it. Now if I refresh, see, even though there is a lot of space here, it pushed the element to next line. Okay, so what if I want to keep it here? In that scenario we can add float left. I'm keeping. Save it. See, it will come. Similarly you can keep right also. Okay friends, when you're using float right, so it will take from the first element how it is applying, right? For example, this is float right, so it will come first here, then here, because it's a scripting language, right? So on the right side, this is the first div. Okay, second, this is the second div. Okay, so like this it will go. And what if you want to remove float property from this, or you want to remove another, like suppose I'm keeping another box. Save it. I'm keeping it to left, so all will be in the left. Now I want to remove the float property from the last. At that time I'm using inline select CSS here. See, it will come down. Okay, so like this we can create. You can keep both also, or right also, whatever it will take from that. So like this we are using float property.